Let's put the popular AI tools in a tier list, S to C, based on what's actually worth your time in 2026. Honest ranking, no sponsors. One tool everyone hypes lands lower than you think. S tier, Claude, the one I open first every day. Thinking, writing, problem solving, it earns the top spot. Why S? It's the tool you'd miss the most if it vanished. Also S, Perplexity. Answers with sources beats a wall of blue links every time. Why S? It changed how I research, permanently. A tier, ElevenLabs and CapCut, the faceless content backbone. Voice and editing, near free. Why A, not S? Specialists, not everyday drivers. B tier, Gamma and Ideogram. Genuinely useful for slides and images, just not daily for most people. Why B, great when you need them, forgotten when you don't. C tier, the all-in-one tools that promise everything. They do 10 things at 70% instead of one thing well. Why C, hype outruns the results. Your money's better spent on the specialists above. That's my honest tier list. Yours might differ, and that's the point. Every tool is linked below. Subscribe and tell me what you'd move.